Hey guys, welcome to another video by Unfiltered Tea. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will be doing a very nice wedding makeup look that you can easily pull off. I will not be naming any products, but they will be listed down in my YouTube description. So let's start. First I'm going to do my eyes and take a little bit of brown on my blending brush and do the crease of my eyes. Now that we have done our crease, we will be dipping into some black eyeshade or charcoal grey one, and we will be doing the corners of our eyes and blending it very nicely in the corners of our eyes. Now that we're done with our shading the corners of our eyes, we will be taking any shimmery color that you like, anything that suits your clothes. So we will be taking that, dipping into that with an eyeshade brush, and then applying it over here on the eyelid. I'm taking a nice peachy gold color for this. Now that we are done with our eyelids, we will be taking some brown eyeshade to shade under our eyes. Once we are done with that, now we are going to put some highlighting color in the inner corners of our eyes. I'm going with the bronze highlighter for this. Now we will be using our mascara for our eyelashes. So the next step is contouring your face. You can contour wherever you like, wherever you think it is required. So I will just be contouring my cheekbones. Next we will apply our blush on. Now we will be taking a lip liner to line our lips and then fill it up with a lip color. Now we will be applying our lip color. I will be using a very shimmery gloss on top of my lipstick. Now it's time for some highlighter. Today I will be using a goldenish highlighter. So that's about it. Hope you really like the video and hope you really like the makeup look. If you try it, do let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day.